Hi, my name is Jeff Jeanette. I'm a factory certified Harley Davidson master technician, and today's subject of discussion is going to be aftermarket oil pumps for Harley Davidson motorcycles. Basically, Harley Davidson motorcycles are divided into two categories. The older style or the evolution style motors where the oil pump is external, i.e. on the outside of the crankcase of the motor, right behind the gear case cover, which is right behind these pipes. On the twin cams, it's a G-rotor style that's driven directly from the crankshaft, and therefore it's inside the gear case cover. This is much more difficult to change. I would not recommend it to any amateur. Let your Harley Davidson service department or certified technicians change that. If you want to go with an aftermarket oil pump on a older style motor, the best thing to do is look at the reasons you're going to do this. If you're beefing the motor up, you need higher oil pressure. That would be the only reason to change to a new aftermarket oil pump. Usually S&S makes a model. It's a high volume, high output oil pump. It increases your oil pressure, but therefore you're going to be guaranteed the correct amount of oil flow through all parts of the engine where you're going to need more lubrication. So if you've beefed up your engine, you need to beef it up with a better oil pump. S&S makes a good one. There are several others on the market, but again, I recommend that you talk to a professional, get their personal opinion, and you can also do a lot of research online as far as the aftermarket oil pumps that are available. Also, they tend to run, they're not cheap. Usually they are custom manufactured, have several different types of gear drives, and as far as the installation goes, again, definitely not something for the layman. Recommend a professional technician do this, because if you make a mistake, it could cause much more damage to the motorcycle and end up costing you even more money. So again, my name is Jeff Jeanette, certified Harley Davidson technician.